Hello students, welcome to the MongoDB lab. Today we are going to discuss on comparison operators. So previously I had then covered topics on logical operators as well as comparison operators. So I'll be using the same data sets. That is uh, db.employees underscore details. So I'll be inserting this. Totally it has 7 records. So I'll click on play button here. So click on yes. I think this already inserted. You need to drop it. Drop the document so that I can insert freshly the newly record. Click on yes. True means the employee details had it contents. So now I'm going to freshly insert the records now. Select here and click on play button. Click on yes. Click on yes. Clearly you can see 7 records has been inserted. So coming to comparison operator, today I will discuss about the this one date based on how comparisons are done based on dates. So clearly you can see. I'll show you the date format. So here is the joining date of Kavana. She has joined 2026. That is on March 31st. So Lakshmi you can see similarly joining date 2022 year Rajesh 2015, Akash 2020, his joining date is 2020, Ritvi joining date 2016, Shifa 2019, Mohammad Umar joining date is 2025. So based on dates, I will be doing the comparison. So so in this query, joining date I have given as joining date should be equal to 2019 8/25. The person who has joined on this date will be fetched. We'll see 2019 08 2008 25 who has joined this on this date. Click on play button. Clearly can see Shifa Banu. She has joined in 2019 8 and 25 this date. The second query is equal to is same as first query. Only difference is I've added here equal to operator. So it will show the same result, Shifa Banu. So I will click on this. I think some error has occurred. Click on yes, Shifa Banu. This result was same as previous result. So I had missed here colon here. So next is we'll be using less than or equal to. So there is a requirement to fetch the details of the employees whose date is earlier than 2019 8 2025. Before I want to fetch the details of employees who are joined before 2019 8 and 25. 25 is the date. So I will click on this. It will fetch the details. So clearly you can see Rajesh has joined in 2015 and Ritvi she has joined in 2016 and Shifa she has joined in 2019. Close this. So coming to here, I've used less than only. This was less than or equal to. This is less than. This is before this date. So I will click here play button. So result appears here. Let's scroll down below. You can see here Rajesh and Rutvi. These are joined before that date. I'll close this. So next I'll come to greater than or equal to. So I'll given the date 2019 8/25. This format is in YYMMDD format. So I want to fetch the details of employees who have joined after 2019. This is probably August 25. So 2019 August 25. Those who joined after this date, details will be fetched. Click on play button. So here output appears. So Kavana, she has joined in 2026. So next is Lakshmi, she has joined in 2022. Then Akash, he has joined in 2020, and Shifa, she has joined in 2019. So coming to next year, next we are using the same date, but this is after. This was after than or equal to. This is after. So after this date, 2019 August 25. I want to fetch the details after the this date, 2019 8 2025. Click on yes button. So result appears here. So you can see Kavana joined 2026, Lakshmi 2022, and Akash 2020, and Mohammad Umar 2025. I'll close this. Now we will come to between. So there is a requirement that you have to fetch the data between the ranges. So you have to fetch the data. So you have to fetch the data between the 2021 January 1st, 2020 between June 2021 January 1st and range is 2026 December 31st. So you have to fetch the between this range. So I'll select this and click on play button. So it shows between these two dates, those who joined between these two dates are Kavana, she joined in 2026, and Lakshmi 2022. Umar, he has joined in 2025. So we'll come now to the replacing the document, updating in other words. So we'll drop this document. It's showing true. So I'll insert one document. It consists of ID, name, age, and designation. That is position. Whether it's software engineer, marketing manager. It so these are the document contents. It's containing Shreyas, age 30, position software engineer, Kavya 25, age, position marketing manager, Muhammad Umar 28, designer, Ravi Shastri, his age is 68, and commentator. His position is. So I'll insert this one. So I'll select here and click on insert on play button. So four records, number of four records have been inserted into designation document. So I'll come down below. So here one requirement is there. Query to find the details of name, not Shreyas. I will find there is a query requirement to find a name by Nitin. Then if name Nitin is found, it has to be replaced by Sumant and age 31 and senior software engineer. So clearly you can see Nitin is not present here. Nitin is not present here. In that case, no replacement, no replace will appear. It will not be updated. I'll click on play button. Clearly, you can see here matched count. It has not matched any employee details name. It has not modified, and upsert count is 0. So it has not matched. It will return the same old result, not modified. Clearly, you can see Suresh is there, Kavya is there, Muhammad Umar is there, and Ravi Shastri is there. Nitin is not present here, hence it has not replaced. Now I will come to an replace one. What is the use of replace one? As the name itself is suggest, it is going to find the name. If the name is Shreyas is present in the document designation, then it will be replaced by this details. That is Sumant, age is 31, and his designation is senior software engineer. So here are the details. It searches for the one document where name is Shreyas. If found, it completely replaces entire document with the new document provided. So old document fields are removed. New document fields are updated. They are added. So we'll check whether Shreyas is present here or not. Well, you can see that. Shreyas is present. Primary key ID is 1. Shreyas is present. So I'll execute it. So Shreyas will get replaced by Sumant. Like yes. So clearly you can see match count. So Shreyas was there. It has matched the count 1. So modified. Its details has been modified. So it has 1. It has not been inserted. It was only modified. So it is 0. Later I will discuss what is used the upsert. So we'll come here. I will close this. So we'll find out whether it's updated or not. So clearly you can see Shreyas has been replaced by Sumant, and its age has been replaced by 31, and its designation is now senior software engineer. I'll close it. So this is the how we use replace one. Now we'll come to how to use upsert. What is the use of upsert? So suppose we have a this one requirement. Suppose name is Sundar Pichai, and if the name is present, and it has to be replaced by these details underscore primary key, that is by name Sundar Pichai, age 55, each position is CEO. So if Sundar Pichai name is present in the designation document, it has to be replaced by this document. If not present, what happens is upsert we are given as true. This means it will be inserted. This new record will be freshly, these new 4 fields will be freshly inserted. So we'll find out whether Sundar Pichai is present or not. Say clearly we can see Sundar Pichai is not present here. Muhammad Umar, Ravi Shastri, Kavya. Now instead of share, Sumant was there. So clearly you can see Sundar Pichai is not present. So using upsert is equal to true, you can insert the record. If it's not present, you can newly insert the fresh record by using upsert is equal to true. So I'll select it, click on execute button, play button. Clearly you can see here. So it did not match the account since there was no name by name Sundar Pichai. There was no record by name Sundar Pichai. So here now we can see upserted count is means 1. 1 means it has newly inserted new record. One record newly has been inserted. We'll go to here and find out whether Sundar Pichai has been inserted or not. Yes, click on yes. We'll scroll down below. We'll scroll down at bottom. So clearly you can see Sundar Pichai, his age and position CEO has been newly inserted. That is the use of upsert is equal to true. Even if name is not present, it will newly insert the fresh record. So MongoDB is case sensitive. Remember that caps S, small s are totally different. They're considered different. So upsert means if you set it to if a matching document is exist, it will be replaced. If no matching document exists, then MongoDB will insert the new document. Now, perhaps we'll discuss some of the few examples of how to use replace one and update one and update many. So we are having a sample hotel names which are situated in Bangalore and Mysore. We are having first primary key ID MTR, which is located in place Bangalore. Vidyarthi Bhavan, Bangalore area Basangudi, Empire Bangalore, Empire Mysore, Taj West End Bangalore, Southern Star Bangalore. We are having some hotel name here. We are inserting into this Wordle document. So select here and click on insert. Click on yes. So totally 6 records has been inserted. Scroll down below. So here also I'm using replace one. This is another second example for replace one. So replace one. So replace one checks for the name whether name empire exists in the document hotel. So if it exists and place is found it's located Mysore, then it will be replaced by Shanti Sagar. Its location is Mysore and area is Coimbatore. So this empire Mysore will be replaced by Shanti Sagar, whose location is Mysore and area Coimbatore. So I'll select it. So clearly it has matched. So Empire place Mysore, it has existed in the document. So it has been updated. So we'll check whether it is updated in document. So it's showing the result here. We'll scroll down below here. Clearly you can see Empire Mysore was there in the ID 4. It has been replaced by Shanti Sagar, location Mysore and Coimbatore. See here, you can see here the details. I'll close this. So we'll come to another example, how to remove field. So unset operator is used to remove a field in a document. So we'll select here. First we'll drop the this one document comes to. So here document name is example and we are using ID, name, age of the person followed by the address which is. So this is Abhinandan, age 21, staying in Canada. Ashin Sharif, staying age 23, staying in USA. Address Pradeep, age 22, staying in UK. Apple Street, 652 UK. Mukesh, address age 26, address Canada. Kushal, age 34, address value 344 Australia, staying for example. So I will insert this record. So totally 5 records has been inserted. Close this. So what is the use of unset? So clearly you can see I have used unset in the MongoDB query. Unset means it removes the field name from the document. Here for particular name Kushal, age field will be completely removed. So I will for the age field Kushal, this one will be removed. You can see Kushal. I'll take up Kushal. Kushal you can see here. Kushal for the particular document Kushal age field will be removed. It's like dropping column in a table. Dropping a column in a table. Unset. I'll execute it. You should use syntax db example update one followed by name for a person name specific person filter condition. So unset means it removes the age field for the person Kushal. Click on find. Click on play button. So you can see a result matched count. It has matched one Kushal. So now you'll find it whether it has been removed or not. Click on yes. So we'll scroll down to Kushal whether it has been removed. So clearly you can see there is no age field in the for the particular name Kushal. It has been removed successfully. So if you want to permanently remove the age field from the document example for all the persons, you have to use update many followed by the you have to specify empty curly braces. It means it will update to or it will remove the field age for all the persons. So it will be removed for the completely removed from the document. It is dropping the column. It's like dropping the column from the table. So age field will be completely removed. Click is so it has match count 5 modified 4. So we'll see whether age field has been completely removed or not. So scrolling down here, you can see for Abhinandan age has been completely removed. See, age nowhere appears. It has been completely removed from the document. This is how you remove the field from the document. Now we'll see how you'll use update one and update many. So I'll drop this if this exists. Click on yes. So select this one. It has Manasa age 25 grades. It has nested this one fields grade maths score is 80 grade science score is 85. Similarly for other persons Deepak and Chandrasekhar. So click on play button. Click on yes. So it has totally inserted 3 records. So here we are updating. So for Manasa age is, we'll check what is the age for Manasa, that is 25. Suppose there is a requirement, we want to change the age of Manasa from 25 to 30, then we have to make use of this statement. DB student details update 1. So we are updating for single person, Manasa name. So set age is equal to age colon 30. That will set the age from 25 to 30. So execute this. Click on play button here. So it has been matched and it has been modified. So we will check for particular name Manasa. What is the age? It should be from 30. Age should be 30 because I updated from 25 to 30. So clearly you can see age is 30. Similarly, you can use another person. So now here I'm using here upsert is equal to true. So if name Ajay is not present, then its newly record will be inserted. That is name Ajay, age is 21. New record is inserted. Clearly you can see Ajay is not present here. Only Manasa, Deepak and Chandrasekhar is present. So since Ajay is not present, I am using upsert and true. So if it's not present, it will be newly inserted. Click here. Click on yes. So upsert count means it has newly inserted the record. So now we can get the result. Last record will be Ajay followed by its age 21. Directly scroll down to last. There you can see Ajay and its age is 21. It is newly inserted record. So we will come to another example of update one. So this is another query. This another query consists of update one. If for a particular name Chandrasekhar, if it exists, then it will increment the age by 1. You will find out the age first of Chandrasekhar. Chandrasekhar is here, age is 35. So in order to increment, we have to make use of $inc operator. So its age will be incremented by 1. That is, it from 30, it will become 31. So we'll find out here. So update 1, click on this button. So it should show it has matched the count, modified the count. We'll see whether this age is incremented or not. It should show the age as 30, 31 from 30. Clearly you can see the age is 30. His age was 35. It has been incremented by 1, then it becomes 36. Now, already demonstrated how to use Upsert. So, again, will you see how to use Upsert? So, it will find for the name Jasmita. If name is present here, Jasmita, it will be replaced by it will set the age to 30. If it is not present, then these two new fields will be freshly inserted. That is name Jasmita and age 30 will be newly inserted. Jasmita is not present. I can show you if you want. Here you can see Chandrasekhar, or I will make use of this query find. It will list what are the documents present in this doc. Clearly you can see Manasa, Deepak, Chandrasekhar and Ajay has been inserted. Jasmita is not present. So it will be newly inserted. If you remove this upsert is equal to true, it will not be inserted since name is not present. It's a mandatory that if you want to insert a new record, then you have to make use of upsert if matching does not happen. Click here, then result is shown. So it has newly inserted the record. That is upserted count as shown as 1. So now see, student details. Click on yes. So we'll scroll down to below. Since Jasmita is not does not occur previously, it did not name did not existed. It will be inserted at the end. Clearly, you can see Jasmita her age 30 has been newly inserted. So we'll come to another example of in update and update one and update many. I have taken the new another document employee details update. I'll drop it. I'll click on this button. Click on yes. So I will freshly insert this record. It consists of ID, first name, last name Radhika Sharma, followed by age, her email ID Radhika Sharma dot 123 gmail.com, phone number Rafael Christopher, age, email, etc. Phone number Fatima Sheikh, her age and email, phone number. So I will click on insert. So totally 3 records are being inserted. So you can see 3 records have been inserted. So find one and update. You can also insert through this method also. Find one and update. What it does it first, it will check for the name Radhik. Find so syntax for using find one and update is db employee details update document name, that is followed by function name. Find one and update. So it will check for first name Radhika is present. If it is present, then it will update this following details. It will update. We are updating here multiple fields. That is age we are setting it to 30, email we are setting it to radha at gmail.com, and phone number also we are changing. So we are updating multiple fields here. So we'll see here Radha is present here. I'm changing all these things. So this is an example how to use find one and update. Select it here and click on yes. So it has updated. We'll see in document whether it is updated. Click on this one, find. We'll concentrate on Radhika. Radhika Sharma. So age has been updated. 30. So email you can clearly see it has been updated Radha, and phone number has also has been updated. So regarding important notes regarding final one update, it will only matching document will be updated. If not found, it will not be updated unless we use upsert is equal to true. So if multiple documents match, MongoDB updates. If multiple documents match, if there are multiple names by name Radhika, so MongoDB updates the first matched documents. So if no document matches, it returns null unless you use upsert is equal to true. So here is another example for update one. So db underscore followed by db dot document name followed by update one. Update one means you're updating for single person, single person. So first name for Radhika, I'm not updating multiple this multiple fields again. Age I am setting to 25. Email Radhika underscore new gmail.com. This is another example for using update one. I'll click on this yes button. So clearly you can see it has matched. Radhika name has been found, has been modified. So I'll fetch this. First name is equal to Radhika. Click on this button. So clearly you can see Radhika's mail has been changed, and also this one her age and email has been changed. So coming to here, we'll discuss about update many records. So for example, for using update many, you should use db document name followed by update many. So if age, it will check all the age field. Suppose if age is greater than 24, it will set the age of 60. So suppose if a person's age, all person's age is 24, it will automatically set the age to 60. For example, we will consider this example. Here is name Ravi, age. Name Sneha, name Hamid. Its age is there. So those persons are age above 24. You can clearly see Ravi and Sneha is above 24. That is 25 and 30. It's above 24. So this name age will be set to 60. So after running the query, you will get the output here. Clearly you can see Ravi has been set to 60 and Sneha has been set to 60. Amit is not been set because it is age is above below 24. So I'll execute this query. I'll click on yes. So successfully executed this query. So two persons were there about 24. Fine. Click on yes. It has been updated. Seriously, you can see Radhika age has been updated 60 and Christopher age is below 24. It has been updated. He's not been updated. Fatima Sheikh has been updated to 60. So guys, here this I will stop here. Again, I will continue this update in next videos. Again, guys, thank you for listening.